Good morning, my son. Please sit with me now.
I am getting late for office right now.
Please drink 1 tea before leaving today.
Please stop asking every morning now.
I made fresh breakfast for you.
I said I have no time. Think about me sometimes too. I work tired every day.
I only wanted your time.
I have to go.
Go safely, my son. This big house feels empty now. He changed so much.
Finish this work today, now!
Yes, sir, right away.
He returns hungry every night. I will cook another dish. He loves this meal from childhood days. Maybe today he smiles with me. Food is ready. Please eat now.
Wait, I am busy now. This soup has no taste today. Do you notice my stress?
I am sorry, my son. Hands are weak now.
Why is the food cold?
I waited for you, my son. You came late.
You know I do not eat cold food. Next time, be faster.
Okay, my son. Next time, food will be warm.
David, buy something too for your home.
I have no one for whom should I buy?
Oh, David, we're here for you. David, please bring some water for me.
I am watching this show right now. I have no time.
David, please bring me water. Hurry.
Why has everything become silent now? Mother, can you hear me? Mother, please open your eyes now.
You came finally, my son. My health feels worse, I am afraid.
I am here now. Mom, maybe I will call a doctor. She is very weak now. She has high tension and stress. Take care of her. Do not give her more pain. What have I done? Forgive me.
David, what are you doing?
Mom, I was blind before. From today, I will serve you. You will do nothing now.
My son, come sit near me. Sons are the light of a mother's eyes.
Always now.
Walk slowly, my son. Be careful.
Do not worry, Mom. I am with you now. Nothing will happen to you. Mother, first I served your favorite food.
My son, you have changed so much. When you were small, I opened my arms, you ran and hugged me.
Yes, Mother, I remember. Forgive me, Mother, please.
My son, I already forgave you. My son, a house is empty without love, and it shines when hearts stay together.
Mom, now I know your true value from today. Your happiness is my success. If you enjoy stories like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.